Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss right here in TickMill. And if you want to do this, we go right here to search symbol and search for something that we want to trade. So let's do Ethereum today as an example. We click right here on Ethereum to US dollars and then we are having right here the Ethereum chart. Then we select right here new order and then we fill in right here the volume that we want to buy. So let's do 1 Ethereum US dollar. Then right here, you see here the option stop loss. So right now, if you click here on the plus icon, you see right here this orange line. And now we can drop this line to the price range where we want to put our stop loss on. So you can decide for yourself what you want to do. Please do your own research. I'm just showing you right here how to enable or how to set the stop loss. So let's do it right here, or we can fill in right here at 2,300. Then after this, we select right here buy market. And then right now, if you click here on buy market, you see right here that we created ourselves a position. And if you go right here to SL, stop loss, you see that we're having a stop loss at 2,300. So this is exactly how you can stop loss right here on TickMill. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.